Question number 10. Show that A1, A2 up to AN form an AP where AN defined as a below. AN is equal to 3 plus 4N. Okay. And second question है AN is equal to 9 minus 5N. Also find the sum of the first 15 term in each case. Okay. So here यहाँ पर हम पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके. अब हमारे पास एपी की फॉर्मूला है ए एन इज इक्वल टू 3 + 4n. ओके. तो सपोज हम n इज इक्वल टू 1 लेते हैं. ओके. देन यू हैव a1. so what is the a1? so 3 + 4 into 1. so 3 + 4 that is what? 7. चलो n इज इक्वल टू 2 लेते हैं. Then here we have a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 to the 8. So that is the 11. n is equal to 3 लेते हैं. So that is the a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. That is the 15. Okay, so by this way. So here we can say that our AP is 7, 11, 15 and so on. So here when you solve, or we can say that here A is equal to 7, first term is a 7 and D is equal to 11 minus 7. So D is equal to मिला हमें 4. ओके. तो A मिल गया हमें, D मिल गया. राइट. तो ये AP फॉर्म करता है कि इक्वेशन. ओके. अब हमें फाइंड करना है फर्स्ट 15 टर्म का सम. तो Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. चलो 15 टर्म दैट इज इक्वल टू कहेंगे 15 by 2. ओके. a है 7 so 2 into 7 plus n minus 1 that is a 15 minus 1 that is a 14. And what is the d? So here d is equal to 4. Okay. So that is equal to 15 by 2, 7 to the 14 plus 56. 14 plus 56. So that is equal to 15 by 2 into 70. That is equal to 35. So 35 into 50. That is equal to 5 to 5. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट 15 टर्म का जो सम हुआ वो मिला हमें 5 to 5. So similar way you can solve this for this second question, that is an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Okay. तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से सेम वे करना है. a1 मिलेगा, n is equal to 1 सब्सटीट्यूट करो. So 9 minus 5 that is a 4. a2 n is equal to 2 substitute करो. So 9 minus 10 that is what? minus 1 and so on. And similar way you can find it.